Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix microphone access required in ChatGPT. So if you want to use your microphone in ChatGPT and it is not working, let me show you different things you can do to fix this issue. The first thing is head over to your settings and scroll down to privacy and security. Right there, look for microphone, and now if you're seeing ChatGPT right here, just turn on the microphone for ChatGPT. So if ChatGPT is not showing right here, let me show you a few different things you can do. The first thing you can do is to update the application. Head over to your App Store or Play Store, look for ChatGPT, and check if there's any available updates for the app. So if you are seeing a new update right here, just update the app. If you update it and your microphone is still not working, you can try to delete and reinstall the app. So for most people, this is what is going to work for you. Just delete ChatGPT completely from your phone and reinstall it. So if you try this and it's still not working, you need to update the software of your phone. So go back to your main settings, go to General Software Update, and update your phone, and this can also fix it. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.